Hindi ko ang aware po ako yung ano eh, nabalitaan ko po yung sa Air Force anniversary. Kami po yung unang in-announce eh. Kami po yung
In-announce na you're
ah,
involved in drug trade, drug
opo,
protector.
opo.
And Colonel Floro, your name was also mentioned. Tama?
Yes, sir. Actually, my name, sir, was mentioned as Police Superintendent Floro, open close parentheses, retired. And I was from Antique, province of Antique.
So retired ka talaga when your name was announced.
Yes, sir.
Retired ka na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, kita mo? Anyway, may patay na, may retired na, mali-mali yung mga pangalan, yung ranks, etc. etc. Now, Sir Gerald Diaz, kasi your name was also mentioned. Did the Polcom file a case against you?
Yes po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Pinalam po ako ng Napolcom.
So,
Ng administrative case po.
tapos,
Bali, dinismiss po nila ako.
dismiss yung case mo.
Hindi po, dinismiss po nila ako.
So, na-dismiss ka?
Opo.
So, hindi ka nakapag-retire?
Nakapag-retire na po ako.
Bago lumabas ang dismissal?
Opo. Tapos, yun po, nag-file po kami ng appeal. Naka-appeal po yung aking dismissal po.
So, naka-appeal ngayon sa civil service din?
Hindi po, sa Supreme Court na po
Supreme
namin.
Court na kayo?
Opo.
Hindi kayo dumaan sa civil service?
Hindi po.
Okay. So, na-dismiss ka rin pala?
Opo.
On the basis of what?
Hindi ko po masyado ang mukhang grave neglect of duty. Grave neglect of duty po.
Grave neglect of duty.
Opo.
O, dismissal talaga yon. Pero ang question, anong basis nila to charge you against grave neglect of duty?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, kung sa layman's ang pagkakaintindi ko po doon sa grave neglect of duty, yung nagpabaya po ako sa trabaho, wala po akong ginawa, at hindi ko po dapat ginawa. Meron po akong dapat gawin na hindi ko ginawa. Yun po yung kanilang ginamit po na basihan na on record po mapapatunayan na hindi po totoo po lahat. Kasama ko po rito lahat itong mga
That's correct. Correct, Jen. Because when in fact, yung tatak na Sibulay City, ang Iloilo, hindi po totoo yun. Kasi on record po, kahit dun sa PDEA, malinaw ang record. Prior to the assumption of Duterte, magandang record sa Iloilo. Of course, nandun si Udikta. But ang sinasabi po ng mga operations, lahat-lahat po, pati record sa Iloilo, is not true. Kaya nga po, ang medyo nagdududa lang po talaga ako kasi out of the 95, 19 police officials in Iloilo. And we know Iloilo City. Kung ikabit mo sa politika, yellow country yun, and that includes my province, Negros Occidental. Ang nanalo doon ng eleksyon, siyempre si Leni Robredo. Tama. And you were then the regional director at that time.
Yes po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Nanalo po nung 2016 po sa presidential Secretary Marroas.
Marroas, tama. Marroas and then the Vice President, si Leni Robredo.
As Vice President.
As Vice President, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Anyway, nanalo din doon. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, Napolcom, kasi ang case, isang case, mas nauna, no, lumabas yung desisyon ng CSE hingil doon sa case ni former police Superintendent Gumbok. The decision was already...
but we are already in receipt of the decision, so siguro po yung PNP should already process the implementation of that order po.
2 months na. Anyway, is there any police, high-ranking police official na nandito pa? Chairman, nawala na yung mga pulis natin. Sino ba? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, may I respectfully move, Mr. Chairman, that COMSEC will communicate with the PNP with regards to the case of Colonel Gumbok. Kasi may decision na favorable sa kanya.
Comsec,
And to the NAPOLCOM, please assist also so that we can help Police Superintendent Gumbok. Because that will be unfair to him. The decision is already made 2 months na. Hanggang ngayon, wala. Wala pa.
We will do, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Anyway, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
with the indulgence of the Honorable Paduano. Mr. Chair.
please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sino po yung kwan? From NAPOLCOM Region 6? Dalawa yung taas ng kamay. Pero wala yung investigador.
Ako, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, yung nag-oversee ng pre-charge investigators in my capacity as the acting chief of the Technical Service Division during the time, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, ano po yung kinarge nyo dun sa mga pulis?
Your Honor, if I remember it correctly, iba-iba, Your Honor. Merong incompetence, merong grave neglect of duty, depende sa counter nila.
Alam naman po natin, nakaramihan dun sa kaso, laban sa pulis, may reklamo. Tama? O may nagre-reklamo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron mo bang private complainant dito?
In this particular, Your Honor, in that particular case, Your Honor, wala. Pero we conducted a motu proprio investigation, Your Honor.
What is the basic reason why you conducted a motu proprio investigation when there was no private complainant?
Yes, Your
Was
Honor.
there an official report from Camp Crame?
Based on the pronouncement of the former President, Your Honor.
Bakit taga-Camp Crame ba si President?
Yes, Your Honor. Yung statement Judge, on August 7 sa Camp Panacan, Davao City,
Ano po yung
Alleging-
statement which became the basis of you to conduct an investigation against these police officers?
yung after the former President pronounced that several police were allegedly involved in illegal drugs, noong August 18, nag-issue ng memorandum yung NAPOLCOM Central Office for the NAPOLCOM Region 6 to conduct pre-charge investigation relative to the PNP personnel na pinonounce ni former President na na-assign sa Region 6, Your Honor.
Kasi yun ang tanong ko na isa. What is common among these police officers except for the fact that they are police officers? The other commonality is that they are all from Iloilo or assigned sa Iloilo. Hindi ba tama?
Tama, Your Honor.
Tama. At kayong mga investigador, hindi nyo man